Hi folks, this is Mansingh Patel, and today I'm going to share some moments of my journey from SVNIT to MNCs. So let's get started. Today I'll talk in short about SVNIT and then how I started my career, including my learning and then job search. ओके सो मैंने 2012 में SVN ज्वाइन किया अपनी ग्रेजुएशन के लिए। और सच कहूँ तो उस टाइम पे मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि इंजीनियरिंग क्या है जब मैंने इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज ज्वाइन किया। बट मैंने इसलिए ज्वाइन किया कि चलो ठीक है, आई विल गेट सम बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर because that time I was not having much knowledge of computer as well. Okay, so after joining the college, I feel that in college, whatever they teach is to only for clearing the exam, but not for building a career. So I decided to have some coaching classes for career-oriented programs. So I choose myself to build a career as in Java. But what my seniors told or some other faculty told, if you want to learn Java, you must have the basic understanding of C. So for that, I joined C in AppTech, and I repeated myself in C for 3 times to get the basic understanding. And of course, after studying in 3 times, I was very much clear about C. Whatever I taught, whatever I learned in AppTech, thereafter I joined Java, and even in Java I repeated it 2 times. And like whatever I learned there, I was very much confident in that. But that was also not enough for building the career. So thereafter in our college there is a concept, or in any engineering college they will go for minor or major projects. So for us we had industrial training, and usually all the students from my college will go to universal, or if they will not go, then also our college will force us to go there only. But we decided not to go for universal, but we'll search some good institute which will really train us in Java. So some people from my group decided to go outside, and I was one of them. So what happened, like especially Pushpan and Govardhan, they started searching for good institute, and like for that Pushpan also visited Delhi and some other places as well. And we got some institute called HCL CDC, HCL Career Development Center, and we came back to our college and we asked permission to go there, but our college refused it, and they told like we will not send you for any career development center. If you want to go, you can directly go to corporation. But the thing is, like, who will get us to their company, because we don't know anything about that. But anyways, we tried searching some other places, and they were suggested that why can't we go for Hyderabad, because that is the hub for IT trainings. And of course we decided to go there. So around in June 2015, June 2015, we went to Hyderabad for our training oriented studies, or we can say directly as career development study. So there we joined some courses like Java, Advanced Java along with Oracle, and hence my real learning started. Usually basically I was thinking like I am good enough in core Java, so I decided to join in Advanced Java and Oracle, but not in core Java. But when I attended some demo classes, then I got to know that whatever knowledge I have about Java, that is not enough. So I again joined core Java as well. But whatever period we have, we took 3 months off, but even in 3 months we were not able to complete all the courses. So what we decided, okay, we'll go college, we'll write the exam, semester exam, and then come back to Hyderabad. And we did the same. But some people from previous batch did not come to next time. but fortunately I came. So thereafter, I came back again to Hyderabad, and I completed the pending course. Along with that, I joined Java, I mean core Java, two batches, one from beginning and one where I left last time. Okay, so after completing the courses, now I felt like, okay, now I am good enough and I am good to go for career. So thereafter, I decided to go Bangalore. And yeah, after completing my BE or writing the final semester exam, I went to Bangalore. And here, when I saw the era here, it was like so many people from all over the country are there in Bangalore, and they are trying hard to get a job. So getting job is very difficult here, and for me personally, it was like a very struggling time, because that time, even though my family supported me mentally, but financially they were like bit less to support me. So what I thought, okay, I'll go for 3 months, I will get any job in 3 months, and after getting that initial job, then I will search for my career. So for that, I used to go all kind of job, like call center, BPOs, and part-time as well. But unfortunately, I was not getting any job. But one day, I got a call, and I went for interview, and fortunately I selected there. And thereafter, I thought to join the company because I had no other option. So I thought to join there, but after 2 3 days I got one more call, and I thought to, like, okay, I'll attend the interview. So I went for interview, and there I came to know that that company was hiring for IBM, and I was very much excited to join IBM. So I refused my previous offer, and I joined Express IT. From Express IT, they sent us for training to Manipal Institute in Bangalore itself, and that was like, we got one 3-star rating hotel kind of hostel, and the institute was really good. They provided us all the facilities for accommodation and food, so that was like very easy to stay there and learn. And in 45 days, they train us like how corporation work, how we have to behave there, how should we work, and also some different signs what that mean. So we learned so many things there, and also we have made so many friends which are still in touch, and some of them are working with me. So once we completed training, there was some concept like, we have to write one exam for IBM. After clearing that exam only, we are able to join, or we can join that. So we wrote that exam, and fortunately, 36 people from 40 cleared the exam, and I was one of them. So thereafter, that was completely fixed that I am gonna join IBM. But when it was still not fixed, so after clearing the exam, I thought to come back to my home, and once I'll get call, I'll go Bangalore again. So I came back to home, and in December 2016, I got call that my joining is there in January. So I traveled to Bangalore again, and on January 10th, I joined IBM as a contractor, as software developer. What is contractor here? Contractor is like, for any company, contractor is like that is not permanent employee, but he work in that company, and the salary he got from his parent company. In my case, parent company was Express IT. And there is still cons and cons, pros and cons from joining as contractor, but yeah, that is not topic of discussion today. I'll talk separately in that after some time, or once I'll get any queries for that. So I joined IBM as contractor, and I had challenges because once you are graduated from college and join to a company, there is a huge gap, like how you should behave, how you should work, and all those kind of things. So I got in contact with my seniors, and I asked them like how should I do, what should I do. And yeah, because here one more thing is there, like in any training or institute you just learn how to make a program run, but here in company you have to debug it. There are so many things to learn, and I started learning that one by one. So I did my best in the company. I performed well, and in September 2018, I converted as IBM regular employee. That is, I was no more contractor, and whatever package I got, which was maximum in Bangalore IBM offices for that experience, I was very happy, but still I had to work hard to prove myself every day, because company just need business. If you are performing well, you are up. If you are not performing well, they will throw you out. So I proved myself, and I became a senior developer among the company. So that was my journey from SBN to MNCs. But this is not the end, because if you are once you are in into any company, you have to always perform well to increase yourself, your knowledge, your skills, your technologies. You have to continuously work to improve yourself. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.